Hey, Robert. Do you mind?
Yeah, no.
So, you eat food?
Do I eat food?
Yeah.
Yeah, I eat food. You eat food?
Yeah. I had food for breakfast.
Oh, good, well, good for you.
Do you go places?
Do I go places?
Yeah. Places.
Yeah, I go places. You go places?
I love places. I went to this place just now.
Which place is that? Here?
Yeah. I was there, and then now I'm here.
You were there and you came here. Wow. Look at that. We both eat food and we both go places.
And that's when I knew I was going to be best friends with Robert De Niro.
Did you say something?
No, it's just...
I showed him Uber One, a membership to save on our two favorite things, eating food and going places.
Cool.
Which he thought was very cool. And then we did those things.
Boring. You don't like it?
No, it's not you. Really?
A lot of people don't realize that I started out as a magician.
No, really?
Mm-hmm.
Magician?
Yep. Yep.
What?
No, I was gonna pull a quarter out of your ear.
Oh.
It's too late now. It's all right. Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, that's very cute.
Cup holder.
Nope.
Car.
Nope. What is that? Wow. What is that?
It's my serving ritual.
Ouch.
You've got whistles. We can be cats.
Mhm.
I mean, not really, but you know.
But why would you want to be a cat? You're a human. Cats should want to be humans.
I'd quite like to be a cat.
Thank you, Naveed.
About 5 miles down the road here, I can take you to a great view.
Well, let's go.
Let's go.
Uber One, a membership for people who eat food and go places.